I put the answer here. Why I'm choosing a different one? Because the answers would be marked in a different font or different color, so that you can tell if the type of this market there. So that is when people click on it, they'll be able to find the correct answer. Okay. That's correct. That is how we see our entire system. So that's the library that we have created. But there are other things. Like I said, let's go and see the next one, that is creating a new object. Sorry. Yeah, you can go here and click on the content. Okay. Okay, and this objective. Now the second step will be, this is objective ID to attack this objective without question or library. Why I'm attaching it, so that, whenever I complete this particular exam, you can see a library. My objective in order to complete. This is clear me. When I completed, I'll be able to clear my. Question ID that I created, we created earlier. It's available. I click on it. Okay. But once this is done, create an exam type assessment. Now these are the multiple choice question, true and false, and stuff like that. But now I want to create an exam type, so I'll click on as new. Quiz and exam. Okay, so I go to the exam. Okay, I created the exam just like quiz, but I haven't added any questionnaire into it, so I'll go and add the questionnaire. Okay, so we created the exam, okay, yeah. Okay, so that's creating an ID, but now we're adding questions to that particular one. Okay. Hello. Take some questions. Not complete the. A variant is usually a different way of asking a question, and only one variant of a question will be displayed to a user taking an exam. You can add a variant to the question directly in the question library. So what kind of variant do you want? Variant means different kind of questionnaires that we have created. Only one can be applied to one user. Now, earlier we had single answer. Now we will have a different multiple answer. So I click on it. I add the answer. I click on the answer. I click on the question and mark all the answers. I will go to Settings. We add the questionnaire. Now, these are the basic ones. How will you be adding these questionnaires or examples? The next one is add an exam type assessment to an existing. Let's go and see this also. Then I'll take you to another topic. I mean the assessment of the other part of the assessment. It is very important as well. Okay. Let's go and see that quickly. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you.